Good day, traders. I'm going to show you the NFP that happens on the 3rd of September. As you can see, in the daily time frame, you can see that this is an upward trend. So we have the structure, high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, and so on. Okay, so we are on the uptrend. Now, if you look at the H4, as you can see that price has broke here, the previous resistance, tested and never closed the candle below this area. So we can know that the price has rejected this area very strong and is going upwards. Okay, so how do we use the NORA entry? In this case, let's look at the H1 time frame. We cannot see any setup over here. Now let's move on the M30 time frame. Nothing much going on. Okay, good guys. I found something on the M15 time frame. As you look at the M15 time frame, we can see that there's a potential SNRC1 setup. So I'm going to draw the SNRC1 setup. So we mark the base, right? The Rayleigh base rally. So which is the Rayleigh base rally? The Rayleigh base rally would be this red candle. Okay. At the same time, if we move to the candlestick chart, if we move to the line chart, this will be a resistance, capital letter A. So we go back to the candlestick chart. This is a potential SNRC1 setup. So what we can do before price even react is we can draw trend line. All right. So like we said, always said trend line can always be T buy. Don't have to be exactly. So let's say if you're not sure, you can just draw multiple trend line. Okay guys, multiple trend line like this, right? So whichever price reacts, then we know that it could react around this area because we treat the trend line as a confluence only. It's not even as an entry point or a setup. All right guys, so if you look at the M5 setup, we can see that this M5 is a potential QM manipulation. We have the high, low, higher high, lower low, price, make a base, align with the left shoulder here, which is the Rayleigh base rally, and probe the head of the QM. Okay, so we have the M5 as a QM manipulation. We have the M15 as the SNRC1 setup. If we look on the time frame of M30, okay, let's remove this. Time frame of the M30, this is a engulfing candle. Okay, engulfing candle. So the setup is in the engulfing candle. Yes, on the engulfing candle. So as long as it is in an engulfing candle, then we are considered as a low risk setup. So price will then play around. Okay, so let's have a look what happened to the M15. Price then take the order here. Okay, price then take order and continue on the uptrend. So we can see that during the NFP price, so high. So we can see that during this time, price took this order and continue on the upwards. So we can see that the price has already given us an indication, a setup indication saying that there is a potential that the price will go on the uptrend. Now, how do we identify that? Like I said earlier, if we go on to the daily time frame, it's on the uptrend structure. We have the high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, and if we draw the danger zone in this area, this is considered as our danger zone. Okay, so here, so price has not react to this danger zone before it took our order on the M15 time frame. Therefore, our price is still considered low risk. Okay, guys. So if this price has not taken our order, but price has touched this danger zone on the daily resistance, then it is considered as a high risk setup. We do not put our pending order anymore. We shall delete our pending order. So I hope this is some of the few example that we can trade during the big news. So on the next NFP, which is in October, hopefully I can share something, then we can all learn together as a forward testing. So I'll see you soon, guys.